a periodic signal repeats itself after a fixed shift in time. Consider a positive shift, and ask whether the signal returns to the same value at every instant. When the shifted signal agrees with the original at every instant, that shift is called a period. The drawn wave is a sine wave whose angle advances through 2 full turns each second. Substituting a shift of 1/2 adds a full turn to the angle, which leaves the wave unchanged. Substituting a shift of 1/4 adds half a turn instead, and half a turn returns the negative of every value. A shift of 1/2 is therefore a period, and a shift of 1/4 is not. The fundamental period carries a symbol of its own. Every whole multiple of a period is itself a period. Adding 2 full turns, or 3, leaves the wave unchanged exactly as 1 full turn does. The shifts 1/2, 1, and 3/2 all return the drawn wave to itself. The fundamental period is the smallest positive shift with that property. For the drawn wave, the marked instants sit 1/2 of a second apart, and the wave is identical at every one of them. The angular frequency counts how fast the angle of a sine wave advances, in radians each second. The value of the wave at each instant is decided by the angle at that instant. Over a shift in time, the angle advances by the angular frequency multiplied by that shift. The wave returns to itself exactly when that advance is a whole number of turns. The smallest advance that returns the wave is 1 full turn. Dividing 1 turn by the angular frequency therefore gives the fundamental period, and its reciprocal is the fundamental frequency. For the drawn wave, the angle advances through 2 turns each second, so the fundamental period is 1/2 of a second, and the frequency is 2 cycles each second. Consider 2 waves, drawn one above the other against a shared time axis. The first wave completes 2 cycles each second. The second wave completes 1.5 cycles each second. Dividing 1 full turn by the first angular frequency gives a fundamental period of 1/2 of a second. The same division for the second wave gives a fundamental period of 2/3 of a second. Each wave repeats on a schedule of its own, and the sum can repeat only when both return together. A common period is a shift that returns both waves at the same instant. Such a shift has to be a whole number of periods of the first wave and a whole number of periods of the second. A shift of 1/2 meets a return of the first wave and falls between 2 returns of the second. The ratio of the 2 fundamental periods is 3/4, a fraction of whole numbers. 4 periods of the first wave and 3 periods of the second cover the same span of time. Multiplying 4 by 1/2 gives 2 seconds, and multiplying 3 by 2/3 gives 2 seconds as well. A shift of 2 seconds meets a return in both rows at once. 2 seconds is therefore the smallest shift that realigns them. The sum of the 2 waves is itself a single signal. Substituting a shift of 2 seconds adds 4 turns to the first angle and 3 turns to the second. Both advances are whole numbers of turns, so the sum returns to itself. Doubling both counts gives a shift of 4 seconds, which is also a period. The fundamental period comes from counts that share no common factor. The fundamental period of this sum is 2 seconds. The upper panel carries a sum of 2 waves whose periods are 1/2 and 2/3. The lower panel keeps the first wave and changes one number in the second. The second wave of the lower panel advances at 10 radians each second, and dividing 1 full turn by 10 leaves the circle constant in the period. A common period would have to be a whole number of halves, and a whole number of those periods at once. Rearranging sets the circle constant equal to a ratio of whole numbers, and the circle constant is not such a ratio. After 2 seconds, the second angle reaches 20 radians, which is not a whole number of turns. The 2 marked instants of the lower panel sit at different heights, so the lower sum never repeats. The upper wave completes 1 cycle each second. The lower wave is its second harmonic and completes 2 cycles each second. A harmonic of a wave has an angular frequency that is a whole multiple of the original. Dividing 1 full turn by a whole multiple of the angular frequency divides the period by that same whole number. The ratio of the 2 periods is therefore a whole number, which is always a fraction of whole numbers. A wave and its harmonics therefore always share the longer period. The first pair has periods 1/2 and 2/3, and their ratio is a fraction of whole numbers. The second pair replaces one period with a length built from the circle constant, and no fraction of whole numbers matches that ratio. The third pair is a wave and its second harmonic, whose periods always divide one another. Each wave returns at whole multiples of its own fundamental period. A sum repeats exactly where those multiples meet. Whole multiples meet when the ratio of the periods is a fraction of whole numbers.